May may please your lordship. Here for listing a IA lordship and criminal appeal lordship, and IA is pending for bail lordship. Can I publish?
When?
Lordship, on Tuesday lordship. Published.
April. Lordship, here for listing criminal appeal on Monday lordship, it is for hearing.
I get to mention for, I have filed a IL, not IL, additional affidavit in connection with item number 8. You can check that.
Item number 8?
8.
What? What affidavit do you want?
Additional affidavit. Additional.
What in a criminal appeal? What affidavit?
Miss case I pending. Pending.
Miss case.
Miss case.
Okay, you can fight, but we're hearing the entire case. No point.
Called.
We're hearing the entire case.
Item 8.
Now you call it, what is that?
Translations have been received, but they have not been received the translation.
The IA has been filed for suspension of the sentence,
There.
First time,
and sentence was for 14 years with fine of 1,20,000.
So paper book, so do you want to press the IA?
Aye.
You should file over.
You can hear it? No problem.
Lordship, we need to file our objection.
Already filed.
Already filed.
Already filed, it's an objection filed.
Yeah, no copy too.
Okay, right. In the IP, you just write, as paper book has not been prepared, this is the matter. If I give February, huh? Then in the IA, we will hear the IA now. Yes. A 20B to C.
20B to C. Firstly,
Is it with 29 or what?
with 29.
How come 29?
But that's what my lord.
Where does 29 come into play?
Now, the first of all, my lord, whether the seized my lord, materials are the ganja, my lord, within the definition of 2B.
You mean the flowering tops are not there or what?
No, my lord, only leaf and stem.
That's what you're saying. Yes, the flowering tops are not there. That's what you're
Flowering tap and the fruit. These two are not.
I don't know.
And this has been categorically stated by IO, the OC, and the court witness as well. The forensic report also says, my lord, it's cannot be said that it is not cannabis. It is cannabis. Even the leaf and my lord.
So you mean to say, without the fruiting top,
and flower.
without the fruiting top, it is not cannabis.
It is not cannabis.
Give us the citation.
Most of the. Out of the move to declare clear. Out of the separate set 9. Digital 23.
Yes, madam, what have you got to say? He said that without the fruiting top, it is not ganja.
It is ganja. Leaves are lordship.
Let us see the judgment he is going to produce.
Leaves are always that is.
You don't have the judgment.
Yes, I have those judgments. Only the separate copies.
That's only for you to read then.
Oh, my lord, that's
Separate copies for whom?
I hand over my entire punch mine.
You won't have anything to read this.
I'll just
Then there are two of us.
lordship, that is there. Can it be taken about 2 o'clock?
Lordship,
I'll just prepare it.
20B to C of 29. So lordship, it must be hard in length and lordship.
No.
For IA lordship,
He's basically saying
that the fruit of
unless the fruit, the fruiting top, if it's not there, then the leaves and the stem that you have see is not ganja.
Oh, human consumption in Sibrati and Holly. It's a human consumption for Sibrati and Holly. Normally people drinks at that time. That's prepared from the leaves. During the Siva Puja.
That is bhang.
that fan is saying about
Same thing.
bhang is ganja.
Lordship will give me 1 hour time, my lord, I'll get it, my lord, done, my lord. Just one. Several high courts as well as my lord, Supreme Court also.
Lordship, let me see the FSL, then, Lordship.
Yes, so the issue is this, madam, basically, whether fruiting top,
Lordship.
whether the absence of fruiting tops in the leaves, whether it would be ganja or not.
But Lordship, the FSL gave positive test of cannabis, Lordship. Page number 45. We'll have to go through this, Lordship. The FSL.
So
Lordship.
it implies that there was fruiting top.
Lordship, because Lordship, the result, the exhibit D and so gave a positive test for page 45, Lordship. Page 45 of the IA, Lordship. IA 45. Annexer 5.
Yes, when the FSL report has given
Positive test.
positive test for ganja,
Mm.
it implies that the fruiting tops are there.
My lord, that's what.
Then otherwise, then
Even in,
there's ganja. How are you going to define? You mean to say the leaves are not ganja?
lips are not,
So the leaves will not give any reading or examination for ganja.
no, and even the,
That is why if it does not give, but the FSL has given a report, positive report for ganja, then it implies that they were fruiting top.
my lord, in cross-examination while my lord deposing,
They might say anything. They are not no.
serious cross-examine, my lord.
They might who? I thought the FSL.
FSL. And the seizure officer, he himself says, OC himself says, and the court witness.
But what has the Supreme Court said?
Lord, this is 2023 live law, Supreme Court 354.
2023.
Live law, Supreme Court 354.
What does it say?
The materials on record show that the petitioner has supplied ganja seeds for cultivation, and as per definition of ganja in section
No,
2
ganja seeds are different. Ganja seeds are different. Those are seeds. So yes, read.
of the narcotic drugs and psychotropic substance, and it is not banned contraband. There are no specific allegations that the ganja seeds were supplied by the petitioner to the other person when an intention to receive back and grow ganja after cultivation. Then various high courts, my lord, specifically on the point, my lord.
That is why I have asked, is there any Supreme Court judgment?
So first, this is the Supreme Court, my lord. The various high court, my lord, Rajasthan, my lord, Karnataka, then Bombay, Kerala, my lord, all these high courts, my lord, says, my lord, this, the leaves and the stems are not the, my lord, ganja as, my lord, to be treated as a contraband. And even for the weighing purpose, this has to be excluded. Only the fruit and the seed.
Who says? No. That judgment of that judgment has been not held to be correct. That the one that will apply to heroin also.
My lord, with
Where that only the actual heroin without the
In
the other
seed, Lord.
the mixtures.
In seeds, Lordship, the flower is contraband, but the stem is not, Lordship. It is not the stem
Correct.
in poppy seed, but in ganja, Lordship, it is, Lordship. So it is gave a positive taste of cannabis, Lordship, in FSN. Poppy seeds are not like a poppy seeds. Flower.
We'll have to read the judgment on the facts and circumstances of each case. You see, What was seized? We'll have to see.
Yes. But the only finding, my lord, at page 69, the basis on which, my lord, court has held, that in inventory it is mentioned.
The question that has to be decided properly by the Supreme Court. Yes, madam.
Lordship, let it be hard, Lordship, because it gave a a positive test for cannabis in FSL, Lordship. Now we'll have to go through this, Lordship. As paper book is not there, I'll have to see, Lordship, because as my learned friend have said, Lordship, PW 19, Lordship. Page number.
How does 29 come into the picture? Section 29?
There's one more. Yes, on this.
Abetment,
29, one more accused, he was discharged.
Okay. And there's another.
Another one.
Lordship, she is PW 14, Lordship, forensic expert, page number
No, no,
65.
that's all right.
Ah.
Madam, come.
No, no, in her cross, Lordship.
It is.
She have said that she further stated that a dry plant's material cannot be simply say as dry leaf and branch. Cannot be say.
Cannot be said. Okay.
Cannot be say.
Then-
So it
So-
was not leaves.
No,
What's he saying?
cannot be say means
Cannot be said.
This is,
Page
this
number
is cannabis
66,
plant. The plant, every part of it, cannabis, but whether it is contraband.
so I'll have to see her full cross, Lordship. Only 2 lines are given in here, Lordship. Page number 66, Lordship. Before para 24.
Where is your suggestion that there is no fruiting top? Where is your suggestion given to the witness that the seized ganja does not contain any fruiting top?
They themselves has said,
No, no, that's not said.
Lordship, yes, Lordship will come to the Caesar officer, PW3. PW3 is the Caesar officer. I'll just read out, Lord. মই জব্দ কৰা কন্ট্ৰাবেণ্ড আইটেমত শুকান পাত আৰু ঠাৰি পাইছিলো ফল ফ্ৰুট আৰু ফ্লাৱাৰ পোৱা নাই
What?
specific. The contraband I have seized was dry leaf and stem. There was no fruit and flower.
There is no flower as such.
Well,
There's only a fruiting top. That's all. There's no flower as such. I mean, it looks like it's flowering,
Yes, yes.
but it's not a real flower as such.
Yes,
You cannot understand it as a rose like
as
that.
that,
type.
yes.
Okay.
Photograph.
Yeah. About 25. Okay, it is. Flooring top. Come to page 68. Come to page 68.
15 to US. Oh, witness 15. Lordship.
Come to page 68, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seventh line. In column 3.
Yes, madam. The whole findings 69 has come. My lord, will see the last line in 69. In column 3 of inventory shows fruit and dry fruit. That is the, my lord, satisfaction, not.
No. In column 3 of the inventory for quantity, it is clearly written flowering plants.
Yes.
Then
My lord, that's what,
Well,
but the same thing is repeated in page 69, the last, my lord, that is the ultimate finding of the court, my lord.
page 69.
Last line, my lord.
Huh?
In column 3 of inventory, shows fruit and dry
Yes.
leaves,
Huh.
and this cover definition of section 23B of NDPS.
So this is the inventory
But
made
this
under 50.
inventory again, my lord, is not, my lord, accompanied by the magistrate certification, my lord, under section 53A, my lord.
52A.
52A, my lord, sorry, 52A.
Oh, you mean to say the
It's a
magistrate?
format, it's a format they have written.
Just a minute. Let me ask you a question also. Do you mean to say that the 52A inventory was not signed by the magistrate?
It is not there in the record only. It was never prepared.
Then what is this column 3 that they're talking about?
There's an inventory prepared, my lord.
Inventory prepared.
Inventory prepared.
So
But
is it signed by, is this inventory signed by the magistrate?
inventory is signed by the magistrate, but the certificate, my lord, is as prescribed by the
It does
notification.
not have to show that it is 52A. It does not have to say.
No, my lord, there's a prescribed form, my
It
lord.
doesn't have to, it doesn't, you don't have to write in your forehead that you are an Indian or whatever.
My lord, certificate,
Indian.
my lord, certificate has to be a format as notified by the government, my lord.
Where does it say that?
My lord, it should already be known. That's the notification.
Where? What does it say?
Well, that is the certificate has to be accompanied with the inventory. The last page is the certificate. Now here, my lord, as already,
You see, last page, this is only for the time of destruction. Why is the inventory required under 52? What is the objective? What is the objective?
that it was duly seized and duly invented.
No, you please read 52A. Don't think just like that. Please read 52A. What does it say? What is the purpose? What is the object? Not so
That can
simple.
be, my lord, what I understood, my lord, that can be, my lord, taken into consideration. in spite-
Okay,
That's it.
where is the inventory? Let us see the inventory. Where is it? Is it here?
It is not there. Record is there.
That's what. That's what. And only have to have a prima facie view in matters regarding 389.
My lord, page 67 is the finding of the magistrate on the, my lord, the certificate.
It was seized, by the way.
It's
37 kg.
37 kg.
37 kg point something. 20 kg is commercial, Lottery.
20 kg.
20 kg. So at this stage, Lottery.
Half of, I believe, in Himachal, it's there everywhere. What I've heard is
Lottery.
there is no check of vehicles going up to Himachal.
Lottery.
On the way down.
Nowadays, okay.
That is what I've heard.
And the IO who has, my lord, also the seizing officer, he himself says, man, it is only the leaf and the stem.
No, he might say anything. The inventory is the one which clarifies everything. Look, for a person who hasn't seen, who's not very familiar, everyone will say that this is, even a person who's familiar will say, there's no leaf and who's going to see the flowering top? Have you seen a flowering top? Have you seen? You?
Like that photograph.
I don't
my
know.
lord. No, otherwise the leaves I have seen, my lord. Leaves I have seen, stem I have seen. my lord.
Lordship,
Well,
flowering.
might not be too nice for a senior counsel to say, yes, in my experience, I've.
Chit puja, that time we offer, my lord. Chit puja, we perform at home. That time, we need to offer a little bit of this one.
Anyway,
Mas não deve ser, cai para o pandora, ela te nem que vai ter.
I don't think there's a case.
Lord, there is absolutely no fruit topping and my lord, the flowering, my lord.
The P68 is clear.
On the specific question, my lord,
I think no case. We'll consider everything during the final hearing.
my lord, one more aspect, my lord, there's no authorization while seizing the my lord, or searching the my lord, vehicle. There's no reporting, my lord, within the 70,
You mean to say you under 42?
42.
You mean grounds of belief?
Yes, my lord, 41 as well as
You see,
42.
41 is with regard to authorized
Authorization.
officers. Okay, authorized officers
Lordship.
and authorization to be given for those unauthorized officers.
So that is not there.
No, not there.
That is not there. Specifically, my lord, the IO says so.
And the seizure was made on the basis of what? On the basis of information.
On the basis of information. And after seizure, there is no reporting in writing to the superior officer also, my lord, as required in the cutting.
Within 72 hours.
72 hours. It was never reported on.
Huh?
It was never reported on.
When were you arrested?
My lord, 6/10/22, my lord. More than 3 years, my lord, I am inside.
But এটা যদি নিচে যদি অফিসার হায়ার র্যাঙ্ক হয় এটা চলো ক্যান
And you have been there since then.
Yes, my lord. Since date of arrest, I am inside. Apart from this, my lord, the
You have got some other matter, some other cases also. No.
regarding my lord.
You have got some similar cases against you.
No.
32 kg is slightly commercial quantity.
That, my lord, when the records clearly reveals, my lord, only stem and my lord, even the IO says the
No,
contraband
no.
was, my lord, leaf and my lord, stem. IO, the seizing officer.
But the inventory is there.
But it is only written, but the material, description of the material has been given. But it is, well, basically, sometimes, my lord, these are all formats, my lord. These are fill it up, my lord. In a, (42), my lord, at page 78, my lord. That while, my lord, seizure is in the my lord, conveyance, then, my lord, section 50 is not applicable. That is the only finding. not discuss about 41, 42 at all.
No, who did the seizure?
Lordship, he is the PW3 Lordship.
The rank of the
SI
officer.
can-
SI is the authorized officer.
SI rank.
My lord,
SI is authorized.
the gazetted officer, my lord.
No. Who says?
No, SI is empowered Lordship. It is in the
See,
page number 681 Lordship.
Collector authorization letter.
81 of the IA Lordship. PW3, the SI rank, and in view of the above decision, let me on,
page?
this is 81 of
The
the IA.
authorization given, the
Lordship.
empowerment given.
Lordship, in that
Because you
Lordship,
see, the unempowered, the ones who can be empowered are those above the rank of sepoy and all, constable and all.
Yes.
Lordship, SI can.
Everyone they have to be empowered. So I am quite sure because at least in other states, SI are empowered. Is empowered.
PW3 কলে during Zara
Is empowered. They're empowered. SI is empowered.
authorization letter দিয়া
There's a certificate issued by the government.
But the, my lord, the
There-
seizure officer himself has said, my lord.
Hey, let him say anything. Just because supposing I say I am a European guy with blonde hair, you'll believe me? I'm saying it doesn't mean that what I'm saying is true.
There is a
It
notification.
may be, it may not.
You can say that you're the fairest of the fair among the Scandinavian tribes of Northern Europe. I am not going to believe you. You can say anything you want.
But if someone says about your lordship, he'll have
And in
to,
the
my
next
lord,
day, magistrate have
he'll have a
also
choice.
signature Lordship.
Huh?
In the next day of the Caesar Lordship,
I think we need some hearing on this.
states seen the same.
My view, just advice.
Hmm.
I don't think you should press this. We'll have to. We'll have.
Lordship will take up along with the, my lord, the matter.
No. We are going to dispose it off. We're going to. We want a disposal also. Right? We have
Yes.
got to show that we're doing something, no? So we have got. There is a judgment which goes against you, which is. So I think better not to press now. Maybe in the final hearing we'll see. Okay. Because there is a judgment that goes against him. In 52A itself.
These many judgments are also, my lord, regarding
Supreme Court judgment,
Plus-
recent.
firing top and all.
Yesterday's judgment. Yesterday's judgment.
I'll go through.
Yes, you go through. Heard Mr. P.J. Saikya, another senior counsel, for the applicant who submits that
Madam.
the present petition under section 389 CRPC is for suspension of the sentence imposed upon the appellant under section 21 B2C NDPS Act, read with section 29. In connection with the judgment dated 27/3/24, passed by the learned Special Judge Lakhimpur, North Lakhimpur in Special NDPS case number 3 of 2023. The applicant's counsel submit that the applicant has been sentenced to undergo plus imprisonment for 14 years with a fine of rupees 1,20,000, in default to undergo simple imprisonment for 1 year. So, sir, next para. The applicant's counsel submit that the applicant submits that submits that the evidence of the prosecution witnesses show that only the stem and leaves of the ganja plant were seized and not the fruiting or the flowering tops. As such, the same cannot be said to be ganja in terms of two Roman 3B of the NDPS Act. he also submits that Section 42 NDPS Act has not been acted upon, inasmuch as no grounds of belief had been registered prior to making a search of the conveyance in which the 32 kgs of ganja,
37.
37 kgs of ganja had been recovered. Full stop. Next, Miss A. Begum, learned APP, submits that in terms of para 25 of the impugned judgment passed by the learned trial court, comma, volume 3 of the inventory for quantity of the seized contraband, comma, it was clearly written that flowering tops and leaf had been recovered. Full stop. Next. What do we do? You are going to not press or at this stage? The Mr. PJ Saikya submits that he would not like to press the uh, application, as he would like to decide all the issues. He would like to have all the issues decided at the time of final hearing of the case. The prayer of the applicant's counsel is allowed. I is accordingly dismissed as withdrawn, as not pressed.
Obliged.
And even the people and all that. See, whenever a person gets information, yes, take it down and write it. If he cannot, then after season, when he goes back, that's because a person can be traveling in a way. Might be in a jungle. The lock chip
The paper book has not been prepared yet, Your Lordship.
item. Three. You want to, what about the I?
Lordship, conviction is under section 302 IPC, Your Lordship. It is based on multiple dying declaration. On last occasion, Your Lordship was pleased to observe that paper book will be required and it is not prepared. Your Lordship. Also, a reminder may be given.
Give them some time, they've got.
Lordship, there is no order also regarding.
There's no
paper.
order.
There's no order also.
Right, in the criminal appeal, it's a joint. Right, counsels for the parties are present. As DCR has arrived, registry to prepare the paper book. List the matter. Give a date. In the IA, you write, WO has been filed, list the matter on the same date.
Much obliged.
Obliged.
Maybe. As per office note dated 9/12/2025, my lord, service in respect of person number 2 has been complete, my lord.
Okay. So are you pressing the IA?
I am, my lord, it is fixed after vacation, my lord.
Huh?
It is fixed after vacation, my lord.
After this.
No. Paper books not yet, my lord.
Why fix after vacation? Why not now?
Okay, not ready, my lord.
Is there any eyewitness?
Eyewitness, yes.
Is it to me?
Is it? Is it?
302, 302. Paper book has not been made, but there is eyewitness.
I think on the video.
This is a property dispute or what?
Yes, yes, civil dispute.
Not civil dispute, huh?
Uh,
Someone got killed.
Property dispute, yes.
Someone got killed. And everyone was there. Even that lady gave the
Boundary
gave the
dispute,
weapon
my lord, boundary dispute.
person also.
Boundary dispute, my lord.
Huh?
Boundary dispute,
But everyone was there.
my lord.
Huh? Both sides, family was there.
Yes.
Yeah, that lady also gave the knife.
Yes, yes, yes. Already 3% were died, my lord.
Huh?
3% were died, my lord.
3% died. Where is the question of allowing you bail?
No, my lord. I'm telling you, my lord, during the trial period, 3% were died.
Huh?
During trial.
During trial period, my lord, 3% were died.
So they died, no, eventually.
My lord.
Then
21% died, my lord.
Accused died.
21 died.
accused died.
21 died.
Accused died. Then
Trial.
Trial period, my lord.
Trial. They were abated.
Abated.
They were abated.
no, but how many accused are there?
Now there is 3 accused, my lord.
Three.
After judgment, in jail on died, my lord.
But
Now 2.
now
Two, my lord.
no. So what I'm saying is, what we're saying is that there are witnesses to the crime.
Right.
Where's the question of bail? Why should we give you when there are eyewitnesses? Why should we give you bail?
I will satisfy your lordship.
No, you cannot satisfy us now
Alright.
because WO has been filed by them.
Yes, sir. Objection filed, my lord.
Written objection has been filed. Show us. It is an admitted position that you are seen killing the deceased. What remains? There's no question of bail. You see, you have filed an application, have filed a reply. Now you just show us. Let us see. Okay. Let us do our job also. They are appearing for whom?
I'm for 4.
Huh?
I'm for 4.
For?
Four.
They are appearing for Jalaluddin.
Jalaluddin. Rofiquddin.
Huh?
Rofiquddin.
Preparing for Jalaluddin.
Okay.
Rofiquddin.
So you have been convicted.
Lordship, my senior, due to some personal difficulty, she won't be able to come. So matter may be fixed next week. All the PCR has already been received, Your Lordship, in this matter.
No.
Registry may be directed for paperwork, to prepare paperwork.
Good. Okay. The one who gave the weapon. This lady was the main. How many weapons was she carrying? She was carrying an entire arsenal of things. Everything.
Fatima Bibi.
Yes.
He
He
got
saw Fatima giving a lathi
he
to
expired.
Jalaluddin. He saw so Jatha. So okay. Then Fatima handed over the Jatha, Lathi, and Tarwal
Lordship.
to the accused person. Rafiq Uddin pierced Nizamuddin with a talwar. And Jalaluddin hit Nizamuddin with a lathi. Evidence of PW 5-6.
Lordship. Five, nine, and more possible.
4 also.
2, 3, 5.
No, 4 also is.
Four also.
No, 3 did not see anything. He only came after the incident. 4, 5, and 6. Yes, madam. Who's the senior?
Dr. P. Agarwal.
Okay, Dr. P. Agarwal. Okay. And you? You are doing it.
Madam, it's fixed after vacation, madam.
No. Why?
Mr. N. Hawk will
Huh?
Mr. N. Hawk is appearing, my lord. My senior Mr. N. Hawk.
We'll listen next week. You'll get ready. Right. On the adjournment made on behalf of Mr. N. Hawk and Miss Dr. P. Agarwal, Learned Counsel for the appellant. This is the matter. You, Tuesday. Just right. The evidence of PW 4, 5, and 6 is to the effect that they had seen the appellants kill the respondent, kill the deceased. That's all. The
First week of January, my lord.
next week, you don't come. We'll decide.
Objection you want to
দিব লাগিব কি হয়েছে
I NDPS commercial case. May actually trust it. A conviction under 21C.
C and 22C.
Yes. IA is for suspension of sentence.
So she has got to file, we have got to give her time.
লর্ডশিপ
Miss A. Begum, Learned Counsel for the Learned APP is granted 4 weeks time to file written objection to the application under section 430 BNSS for suspension of the sentence. Under section 21C
C and 22C.
and 22C. How come 22C? What was seized? Heroin.
22C is lordship,
That's psychotropic. 22 will be psychotropic. 21 is heroin.
psychotropic substance.
Oh, that was found. Okay. Okay, then it's okay.
Lordship, TCR is available.
Okay, right.
So, paperbook
Then
maybe-
in the main case, you write, as TCR has arrived, registry to prepare the paper book. List the matter after 4 weeks. Give a date.
Oblige, lordship.
Both. Any objection? Madam, any objection?
7 লর্ডশিপ
No objection.
কন্ডেনেশন অফ দিলে লর্ডশিপ
No objection.
লর্ডশিপ
Where's the question of objection?
নো অবজেকশন
Correct. Mr.
You
Chaudhary.
Chaudhary. Legal aid
So
counsel.
the applicant phrase that the delay in filing the appeal against his conviction under section 377 IPC, read with section 4 of the POCSO Act, should be the amounting to 1283 days should be
1
condoned. Ms. A. Begum, APP submits that she has got no objection to the delay being formed. In view of the submission made by the APP, the delay of 1 to 3 days condoned. A registry to list the appeal is the matter of, I is accordingly disposed of.
Obligation.
Doesn't matter. Final order.
Lordship, in regards to item 8, let them start, Lordship. V. Bhuya will be there.
Okay, no problem.
My lord, your lordship was under the impression that we are avoiding, my lord.
Huh?
Your lordship was under the impression we are avoiding that case.
Yes, yes.
Unfortunately, ma'am, the 2 days, one day I was in hospital and next day
Oh,
I was in workhouse and meeting.
okay, okay.
I was ready otherwise, my lord, my junior also. So that is not the,